Now we have the hyena den with the hyenas here, but we also have a huge herd of elephants coming very, very close on the other side. They were being very, very naughty earlier, but they have indeed settled down a little bit and they are suckling, which is perfect for mother because mother can get in some winks as well. Oh, I think the cub spotted the elephants. It has. That is so cute. Look at it, just watching the elephants. Mother's also spotted the elephants, but it's not a threat. They are just walking on by. There's no real danger here between any of these animals, but obviously for a cub of that size, it is very, very fascinating to watch these huge animals walk on by. That is just so adorable.